Okay, so today we're going to talk about single digit multiplication using partial products. So with this term partial meaning part and products meaning the answer to a multiplication problem, what we're going to be doing is finding little parts of the answer and then adding them up to find our product. So that's what partial product means. So if we have this problem, we have 787 times 7. So what we're going to do is we are going to, and I'm going to write this off to the side over here so you know what my steps are. I'm going to do 7 times 700 because this 7 right here is not just a 7, it's actually 700, right? So now I'm ready to do 7 times 700, so 4,900, right? Because 7 times 7 is 49, and we have 1, 2 zeros here. Next, we have 7 times 8, but that's not actually 8, right? That's going to be 7 times 80, because that 8 is actually an 80. So 7 times 8 is 56, and we have 1 0 here. So 560. Then our last step here, we have 7 times 7. So this is just regular 7 times 7, both are in the ones place. So now 7 times 7 is 49. So we've done all the parts or the partials here with these three. Now what we're going to do is we're actually going to add these up to find our final product here. So 0 plus 0 plus 9 is 9. 6 plus 4 is 10. Regroup my 1. 9 plus 1 is 10, plus 5 is 15. And 4 plus 1 is 5. So our answer to this problem is 5,509. All right, let's try another one. 451 times 6. Okay, so our first step here, we're going to do 6 times each number on the top. So 6 times the 4, but the 4 is actually a 400. So 6 times 400 is, so 6 times 4 is 24 with 2 zeros, so 2,400. Then 6 times 5 is actually 6 times 50, right? Because that 5 is in the tens place, so that's 50. So 6 times 5 is 30 with 1 0 at the end, so 300. The next part of our problem here is 6 times 1. 6 times 1 equals 6. And now we're ready to add up our partials here. So 0 plus 0 plus 6 is 6. 0. 4 plus 3 is 7, and 2. 2,706. Let's try another one. And this one has a 0 in it, which is another reason I like this problem, because it shows us just another kind of a problem that we'll see out there in the world. So 608 times 9. So our first step here is 9 times each thing on the top. So 9 times 600. 9 times 6 is 54. And then we're going to have 2 zeros on the end here. And then 9 times 0 is 0. So we're just going to have a 0 there. And then our last problem here, or last part of the problem to solve it, is 9 times 8. And 9 times 8 is 72. And now we're ready to add up our partials. 2, 7, 4, and 5. 5,472. All right, let's try another one. 873 times 4. So again, we're going to do our 4 times everything on the top, right? So 4 times 800, which would be 3,200, right? Because 4 times 8 is 32, and we have 2 zeros there. Next, we're going to do 4 times 70, because that 7 is not just a 7, it's a 70. 4 times 7 is 28, and then we have a 0 at the end. And then the last one here is 4 times 3. 4 times 3 is 12. We're going to add this up. 2, 9, 4, and 3. Okay, guys, those are our examples for how to use single digit multiplication, but using partial products. Thanks a lot. Bye.